Greetings, guys. Just a quick tip here. If you happen to run into this problem, I wasn't able to find a video on YouTube to help me, so I thought I'd post this. This is a Maytag extra power washer, and it's a top load. And about 3 days ago, I go to wash these clothes, and the indicator said close lid, and it was closed. But what it turned out was the lip here had broken off down into this thing and fallen into the tub. So I ordered two of these from Amazon because, they're cheap. It was like $8 or something to get two of them. But here's what I was going to show you. I should have had this ready. I should have done this video before I actually installed it. But it's so simple that it's not going to matter. Hang on a second here. It basically just involves about a $7 or $8 part. Well, you get two for, depending on what you can get them from. If you buy them from Maytag, they're like 26 or $30. But I got it off of Amazon, and I just looked up the part number, and this is exactly what you get. And here's what I did. I took a little screwdriver, a very thin one, and I just pried this thing out and basically yanked out the old one, which is this right here. What I probably should have done was turned it. See, if you turn it, yeah, I can take it out. Look at the connectors are like that. And if you look in here, you can see where they fit. So you put it in at a little bit of an angle to the left. And when you turn it, it should click in, but it locked in. I can feel it. It didn't make a noise. And now you're good to go. When you close this, hit the power, and see, before it said closed door. But now life is good because I'm going to have clean clothes again. Although, why is this thing not starting? Oh, I didn't hold it down long enough. All right, so anyways, that's it. I hope that helps. And yeah, go wash your clothes.